Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm not really too sure what I'm going to be filming, but I'm thinking I want to do like a Thanksgiving type look with like some cranberries, because I feel like that's literally what I'm feeling. So yeah, if you guys want to see what I have planned for you guys, then make sure you guys stay tuned. But before we do, make sure you guys go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Make sure you guys also click that notification bell, as well as that lets you guys know when the next time I upload a video, and give this video a big thumbs up for me. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started.
Oh man guys, so it's been a while since I've done a voiceover for you guys, but I'm just going to get started by applying my L'Oreal Magic Lumi and my NYX Pore Filler to my face. First, applying the L'Oreal Magic Lumi to my face. I'm also using my e.l.f. small stipple brush. You can buy this brush from Target or the e.l.f. website, and I do believe it's $3. So here I am applying the NYX Pore Filler to my T-zone area, and as you can tell, my cat got me. So yeah, for foundation and concealer, I decided to go in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation, and here you guys can see I'm applying it to my face. And I'm just going to blend that in with a damp beauty sponge. If you guys are interested, I did get my beauty sponge in a 3-pack from TJ Maxx for $5.99, and they actually aren't bad at all. They are more on the stiffer side, but not bad, not bad. Okay, so here I am going in with my Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm just applying it to the center of my face. I've actually started to apply more to the center of my face now, and I'm actually kind of enjoying how that looks a lot lately. And again, just blending that in with the damp beauty sponge. For powder, you guys already know I go in with my Coty Airspun and my Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder. So here I am. I decided to do some baking today. I haven't done that in a while. So I'm just applying the Coty Airspun with the beauty sponge, and I am just letting that sit here on my face for a little bit. And while that sits on my face, I'm going to go in and do my brows. I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow, and I'm also going to be using my e.l.f. brow pencil. And if you guys want a in-depth new brow routine, let me know in the comments below, and I'll be sure to do that for you guys. So with brows, I typically start with the dip brow just so I can get a shape, and I usually fill in towards the like middle to end of my brow with the dip brow. And I especially do that on my right side just a little bit further, just because I do have a scar in my brow and it just never seems to grow hair there, so it's kind of annoying. But yeah, as you can see, I'm just filling in my brows here. And oh, here I am applying some lip balm. So here I am just using the e.l.f. brow pencil in the front of my brows just to make it fade a little bit more, and that way it's not as harsh. For a while I was using the dip brow, and it really was making my brows like so big and bulky and not as natural looking. So I did start using the e.l.f. brow pencil, which is my favorite drugstore brow pencil. If you guys are interested, it's literally $2 from Target or elf.com. So here I am just wiping away the bake. I'm just using my Real Techniques contour brush. And to set the rest of my face, you guys already know I'm gonna use my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. And if you guys can tell in the video, I'm pressing the powder in my face. For bronzer, I decided to go back in with this bad boy, the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. And I am applying that with my Wet n Wild contour brush. This is probably my favorite contour brush. And it's actually, I do believe, $2. So I'm just applying the slight bronzer to contour my nose and the inside of my eyes. For blush, I'm using my Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the shade Pop, which is literally like this bright baby doll pink. But on my face, it actually doesn't show up as like bright pink, thank God. And yeah, absolutely love these blushes. For highlight, I'm going in with my Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector with the Jaclyn Hill Champagne Pop. And I'm just applying that with my Real Techniques highlighting brush. And you guys know I always set my face afterwards, so I'm going in with my NYX Matte Finish Spray. For eyes today, we're going to go in with the Morphe and James Charles collab palette. If you guys haven't gotten your hands on this palette, you need to. So first things first, I am going to go in and put this all over my eyelid, going in with the shade called Base. Starting in the crease, I'm going in with my Morphe M441 brush and going in with the shade Pinkity Drinkity. Next, using that same brush, I'm going to be going in with the crease and deepening that up and adding some more dimension. We're going in with the shade called Mary. And the shade is really like so unique. It's like a pinky brown color. Like I can't explain it, but after I'm done applying it, it's just the color just looks so beautiful. And here I am just really building up that color using that same Morphe M441 brush. Now using that same brush, I'm going to go into the shade called Love That, which is more on the pinky side. And I'm just going to build up that color, really focusing on the outer crease. And here I am just wiping up the fallout here just a little bit and really crisping up the outer edge. And next I'm going to take my Luxie 141 small tapered blending brush that I had received in my BoxyCharm. And I'm just going to go in with the shade called Benny, which is this really dark mocha like chocolate brown. And I'm really just going to focus that on the outer corner and slightly in the crease. And I'm just going to build up that color a little bit here. And here I am just taking my Morphe brush and just blending out the shades here a little bit. Alright guys, so next we're going to take my Alamar eyeshadow shader brush and I'm going to take the shade Shook and we're just going to wet down this metallic shade using my Max Fix Plus. And I'm just going to apply this all over my eyelid, but I'm also going to keep the inner corner pretty open so that way it's not too dark in the inner corner. And if you guys are having trouble with metallic shades, I would definitely recommend using like some type of setting spray like MAC Fix Plus, or you could even use water if you need to. So in the inner corner, we're going to go in with the shade called Literally. And I just applied that to my inner corner. Alright, so next we're going to work on the lower lash line. So we're just going to go back in with the shade called Mary, and I'm just using my Royal and Langnickel crease brush. Next shade we're going to use is Love That, and I'm just using my Luxie. Oh, what type of brush are you? The Luxie 121 mini tapered brush. And we're gonna go in with the Royal and Langnickel smudger brush, and I'm also gonna apply Benny really close to the lash line. So we're pretty much just replicating what we did up top on the lower lash line. Alright, and then to highlight the inner corner, we're going to go in with the shade called Face, which is that big highlight shade in the center of the palette, and we're also going to take that on my brow bone as well. And I'm just using one of the brushes I've received in my Urban Decay Naked palettes. Next, just to finish off the look, we're going to go in with some mascara. The mascara I'm using is the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, and I'm just applying 2 coats of this mascara. So as you guys can see, I actually got some mascara on the side of my face. If you guys stay tuned towards the end of the video, I will go over with you guys how to remove that. So if you guys want to, you guys can make this look all your own. Of course, if you guys want to apply liner or lashes, please feel free to do so. Okay, so as you can see here, you really want to grab like any type of small brush, and you're literally just going to rub it away, and it literally just goes away. It's so probably the coolest thing. So for lipstick, we're going to go in with Maybelline's Beige Babe, and the lip liner I'm using is the Jordana retractable lip liner in the shade Rockin' Rose. This lip combo is probably like my everyday favorite nude. It's kind of just like your nude but better. But yeah guys, so this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for joining with me today, and hope you guys have a happy Thanksgiving.